Working on today is I'm changing out electric fuel pump or high pressure pump on a 2006 4-stroke Yamaha 90 horsepower. This is the old, I guess, OEM factory from Yamaha, and I got my new one in today. They're the same length. It's just this body here's on the aftermarket, it's just a little bit shorter than the original, and also the two hookups are different, so you will have to remove your factory one and put the new piece on that comes with the kit. It also comes with butt splices that you can take your factory one off, cut the wires, and get your new one that I've already put on here, and butt splice them together and hook them up under this float down here. But I didn't want to cut my factory one up in case these aftermarket ones are not hyped up as they seem to be, and if I have to go back to a factory one, these ones from the factory here are already short, and I didn't want to have to cut it and then recut it again, then it wound up being too short to use. So what I did is I ordered some flag terminals for the one that come in the kit. I crimped them on the ends and I put them in place right down there. And I also put a piece of shrink wrap on, and you have to take this off to take your old one off, and then you know how to put your new one on once you take your old one off. So the new fuel pump, what it should do is snap right on, and then right here it should push right up in there just like that. And there's another section that comes on and bolts to the top. Now to get to this electric fuel pump, I had to take a bunch of the hoses off. I have to pull the whole intake off just to get to this box, and then I left the lower half out there so I wouldn't have to disconnect all the other hoses. So I just brought it in here, and like I said, I went ahead and bought some flag terminals for the new electronic piece that hooks to the top of it. And the flag terminals that I ordered are called flag disconnect terminals. The big terminal, because where's the okay, this is the one from the factory. So of course there's a bigger one and there's a smaller one. The bigger one's a .250, the smaller one's a .187 or 3/16 or a quarter. Now also I ordered them, got them in .250 for the big one and a .187 for the small one. And I also bought a pair of flag terminal crimpers, and it's on YouTube how you use them, so you could just YouTube that how you crimp these ends on. But like I say, I didn't want to cut my factory plug in case I needed to go back with the factory electric fuel pump. I'm trying an aftermarket pump, which is, I want to say it was either $69 or $89. I'm not real sure what it was, but the factory was around $260. That's why I went with the aftermarket. Aftermarket come with a lifetime warranty, but I just hope that lifetime warranty means that, you know, I won't have to change them all the time, because you just can't get to them that easy. Like I say, I had to pull the intake off and disconnect a bunch of hoses just to get to this. And next time you see me, I will start hooking it up on my boat. Alright.